Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make donuts with a donut maker. First, gather all your ingredients such as flour, sugar, eggs, and milk, ensuring everything is ready. Next, preheat your donut maker for approximately 5 minutes. This ensures even cooking. Finally, lightly grease the donut maker plates to prevent any sticking, making removal easy and keeping your donuts perfectly shaped. Now let's create the perfect batter. In one bowl, combine all your dry ingredients like flour and baking powder. In another, whisk together your wet ingredients such as eggs, milk, and melted butter. Gently fold the wet mixture into the dry until just combined. Be careful not to overmix, as this can lead to tough donuts. The batter should be smooth and pourable. With your batter ready, it's time to cook. Carefully spoon or pipe the batter into each donut cavity, filling them about 2/3 full. Close the lid and allow them to cook for 3 to 5 minutes. You'll know they are ready when they are golden brown and easily release from the mold. Use a non-scratch utensil to gently remove the hot donuts. Once your donuts are cooked, transfer them to a wire rack to cool completely. This step is crucial for toppings to adhere properly. While they cool, prepare your favorite glazes, frostings, or a simple cinnamon sugar mixture. Then, dip or drizzle your chosen toppings onto the cooled donuts. Get creative and enjoy your homemade delicious treats.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.